This is our 2012 Catalina 355. The 355 fills a nice niche in the mid 30-foot range and is a very versatile boat. We sold this boat new, so we know her very well. Some features include a furling mainsail, deluxe 1-inch stainless steel bimini, upgraded AGM batteries, and more. The cockpit is spacious with stern seats, storage, and a folding dining table. Instead of a standard wheel, this one folds away and is wrapped in leather. She has Raymarine electronics, including an upgraded wind package that includes a Raymarine ST60 Plus wind system. Sailing is easy with the 355. Mainsail Control is simple with a 5-foot-long traveler. Long inboard Genoa tracks can accommodate head sails from a powerful Genoa to a storm jib, allowing a balanced sail plan for any wind conditions. The inboard shrouds and hardware allows for tighter sheeting angles for upwind performance and wide unobstructed weather decks for safety. The mainsail has vertical battens and furls into the Selden mast. Up front is the primary anchor, electric windlass, and locker with a ton of space. Let's move below into the spacious and luxurious salon. It's very well planned out, so you feel like you're in a much larger yacht. The U-shaped settee to starboard has the quad-leaf folding table that is functional yet beautiful. In addition, this boat has the option to convert the dinette into a double berth. The air conditioning and genset will ensure you are comfortable in any climate, even while underway. To port, there's a small dining table which easily converts to a single berth or settee with the cushions provided. Aft of this area is a compact yet well-designed navigation station. The navigation desk incorporates a recessed laptop computer compartment with dedicated power ports. Just across from the nav station is the large U-shaped galley. The refrigerator freezer has both front and top access for convenience, and it features the optional AC-powered microwave and gibbled stove and oven. Deep, double-polished stainless steel sinks have a single-lever faucet and sprayer. Aft of the galley is a private guest stateroom. The double berth has a comfortable mattress with an angled seat back, cedar-lined hanging locker, overhead hatch for ventilation, and adjustable reading lights. The head is made from a single piece of molded fiberglass, which creates a modern appearance and, more importantly, is easy to clean. The shower seat provides safety while underway. The contemporary vessel-style sink is attractive while creating more counter space. The owner's stateroom has a large double berth, cedar-lined paneled hanging lockers, and numerous drawers, bins, and shelves which provide the storage needed for extended trips. She is powered by a 29 horsepower Yanmar diesel, which has less than 200 hours at the time of this video. The Catalina 355 is a flexible boat that has everything you need for cruising around or offshore sailing. Like I mentioned, we sold this boat new, so we know it well. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Please consider subscribing for more boat tours, and for our other listings, visit our website.